Hi, dear doers, and nice to see you again. Straightforward manufacturing flow. It's time for us to start organizing and automating some processes for each product. Manufactured materials are necessary, keeping all of them in mind, or looking at a list before each operation would be inefficient and time-consuming. That's why Stealthy Wood uses what are called bills of materials, aka BoMs. We also use routings. BoMs are a complete list of all of the items that are required to build a product, and routings are the records of the production operations or stages workers must follow. By doing so, we can keep track of them operation and know what the next step is. We can also import instructions and plans related to the job, reducing the possibility of making mistakes after everything is done. We can look at the details of everything that we did, and with an easy to use and intuitive interface, everything can be set up. So cool, let's check it out. Alright, so here I am on my database. I'm going to first jump to manufacturing, and we're going to go straight to the BoMs menu. So products, bills of materials, and some are existing, but I need to create one for my large meeting table. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create. Then, of course, add the product large. And I have a route set on this product as 2 manufacturers, so be sure you do that. It's very important, alright, so here I can add the quantity that I would like to produce with this bill of material. And then I also have the reference on the right, and this is going to be linked to the bill of material itself, but my product is going to keep its own. Alright, I have my BoM type as manufacture this product, and of course, the part that interests us the most will be our component. So here under this table, I can list all of the materials that are needed to manufacture this product. So let's go ahead and list some items. So I'm going to have my office chair. 12 office chairs, yes, they come with this. And then we're going to need some bolts. Of course, let's add 24 bolts likewise. Then I'm going to need some table legs. Alright, so these are all of the components that it will take in order to produce one large meeting table. But of course, we're not going to ask our employees to manufacture the product on the floor without further instruction. At least we don't do that at Stealthy Wood. Operations to this BoM, so I'm going to jump on over to the operations table. And from here I can list all of the operations for my employees when manufacturing this product, as well as the work center to use and the expected duration as well. So let's go ahead and so for the operation I'm going to say, and then we're going to add our work sensor as well, which will be assembly. And then on the right I have my duration computation, which I can do based on track time. So for example, based on the last 10 work orders, or I can set that duration manually, which is what I'm going to do. So I expect it to take 60